diolch i cefnogaeth ffermwyr lleol a tîm cryf o weithwyr, dwi wedi bod yn ffodus iawn i'r rhedeg marchnad a byw am dros 40 mlynedd.
As an NFU Cymru Group Secretary, I insure over 200 farm businesses and deal with member queries every day.
Dwi'n ffarmwr llaeth a'n rhan o grŵp cenedlaeth nesaf NFU Cymru yn helpu creu polisi ar gyfer y dyfodol.
As County Advisor, I help farmers with policy and membership issues. As a family, we are contracting and we are tenant farmers.
I am a free-range egg producer with 40,000 chickens, and we supply supermarkets and local businesses around South Wales.
She who dares, farms.
Hi sy'n mentro sy'n ffarmo.
She who dares farms.
She who dares farms.
Hi sy'n mentro sy'n ffarmo.
She who dares farms. He sy'n mentro sy'n ffarmo.